So here are some of my illustrations. Focus. So this is a beer and donut infusion, like animal and food infusion thing, and this is a kitty and heat ventilated milk can, we can say. So this is infusion of cat and milk. So this is a transparent snail and also nacho chips with some green sauce. So these are our buddies and they are chilling out. And yeah, this is infusion of cake and squirrel and also incorporated nut. It will be cute now, like from my stage we all know that nut will be there, that squirrel will be roaming for the nut and so I thought to do this. And yeah, this is the bunny with the candies infusion thing. So I said to you guys about the Patreon now, so I'm thinking to not continue the Patreon tires. I told her like I'm thinking to update the tires, and also no, I'm not going to update the tires will be as usual, but now I may change the the images of the tires and all, but not with these illustrations. I will just keep it very simple. That's only for exclusive content which is already in that Patreon. So anyone is interested to support me by doing there, by donating and all, you guys can check Patreon. I will leave the link below. So this is like the new project which I started for sticker packs. I already said before, no? So this is from Demon Slayer. This is Tanjiro's earrings and mask, and this is Nezuka, Tanjiro's sister, and this is the box which Tanjiro carries her sister Nezuka in that. It took me very long to draw. And this is Tanjiro in my chibi version. He's carrying his sister in this trunk, and he's with his fur and his earrings. Isn't he cute? It's unfinished actually. So he is Goku, and this is a friend of a hero. He is Zenitsu, and this is Inosuke. He's basically at the town side boy and all. He's wearing this big head on. He's very cute, yeah. And this is another unfinished character. It is Yuzui. He is one of the demon slayers. Yeah, so many is there to do. I'll tell you guys later. It is so on 16th April I done live, and that is yesterday, and today I done some illustrations. I think you guys have seen that flip through, and so like I'm currently working on the upcoming launches, and so much admin work is there to do. Yeah, we'll see you again. So today is Wednesday. It's April 19th. So I will show you like how my desk looks like. I done live on Sunday now. So many people is how my desk is looking right now. So basically the desk is not a desk. We set up it as a desk by using our Divana cot. We can say it that we say it as a Divana cot. It's basically bed. We kept and arranged it like that as a desk by using an actual study table at its under. So I will show you how it looks, and also I will show you something else also. Yeah, let's go there. The entire desk setup looks like so it's a bit messy, having my drawing books, my accessories, and some other bits and bobs, and also there are all my products in the cabinet, and also here is my mobile stand, and have to work on this too. Toys from my childhood, and this box I have kept here for storing some new sticker launchers which are coming soon. And yeah, these are some of my previous stickers, and this is my cat on art train. here we are having a white scaler, spreads, scented candle, promotional toy, fairy lights, some punch orders, thank you cards, and yeah, so many things like thank you stickers are here, and some ribbon, some envelopes and card backing cards, and all our things are stored like this in the boxes like sticker packs, some other stickers, packing material, and yeah, more packing related stuff. This has a desert theme and our baby or the theme subscription boxes related items, and also backing cards are here, and yeah, bookmarks, greeting cards, art prints, and also some notepads are here. Our some free Nikon sticker pens are here, and yeah, don't mind the branding up here. I'm just using for storing like my quote sticker packs are there, a set of 12 for those I'm storing here, and this has other sticker packs of 72 quote sticker packs, and also my first sticker launches those, and our freebie stickers are here, and on the top we are having the freebie stickers for international purpose, and here I'm storing my button badges, and these are my button badges which I kept for myself, and some shredding papers, and also some storage for stickers, like food packet stickers will be there in a big size for those, or I'm having 2 storage boxes, and yeah, in these boxes I'm having my planners and all the stuff in this box, and in this box I'm having some stuff related to brigade and all, and also some kind of sticker packs, and in this also like the same, guys don't mind the boxes and all, it is related to my lifestyle content also, so please ignore, and yeah, that's it. Hi cuties, I'm quite busy from past few days because of filming and editing for my lifestyle channel, and I didn't turn anything to my small business. The only thing I done is cutting these logo stickers, that's it. So this is the only update for today. Hi cuties, so a small update, so I only did finish the cutting of my logo stickers, that's it, nothing I did again. So I think I want to be a bit more productive for my small business, and yeah, I don't film for my lifestyle channel content and also on the Instagram, and yeah, currently I'm posting on business page also, like related to the collaborations with PRS and to the few co-creators, and also yeah, I'm very excited to see how the results will come, and hoping for the best this time, and this time I really wanted to get succeed, and I am having that spirit like I will get succeed in my business this year for sure. So here is an update. So coming to the PR, like PR reached to the creators, and to the creators also posted the content, and you guys can use that coupon code actually in the website, and you can claim some discount. And also one more thing is that accessories launch will be delayed a bit, but now we are going to launch the B-grade stuff on 30th April, and today is 20th April, and as usual I have again done filming the content for my lifestyle channel, and yeah, I really hope everything goes well. I broke my nail again, see.